In the dynamic landscape of e-commerce, mastering the art of profitability is crucial for the sustained success of any Amazon business. With countless sellers vying for the attention of online shoppers, it's essential to employ effective strategies that not only drive sales, but also maximize your bottom line. This is where AMZ Product Launcher emerges as a game changer, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to catapult your Amazon business to new heights of profitability. One of the key pillars of AMZ Product Launcher's success lies in its ability to provide sellers with unparalleled insight into market trends and consumer behavior. By leveraging advanced analytics and data-driven research, AMZ Product Launcher empowers sellers to identify lucrative product opportunities and capitalize on emerging trends before they reach saturation. This proactive approach not only minimizes the risk of investing in unprofitable ventures, but also positions sellers at the forefront of market innovation, ensuring sustained growth and success in the long run. Moreover, AMZ Product Launcher offers a range of innovative tools and features specifically tailored to optimize product listings and enhance visibility on the Amazon marketplace. From keyword optimization and product photography to targeted advertising campaigns and promotional strategies, AMZ Product Launcher equips sellers with everything they need to stand out from the competition and attract the attention of potential buyers. By harnessing the power of cutting-edge technology and industry best practices, sellers can effectively increase their product visibility, drive organic traffic, and ultimately boost sales and profitability. Furthermore, AMZ Product Launcher goes beyond just launching products. It provides ongoing support and guidance to sellers at every stage of their Amazon journey. Whether you're a novice seller navigating the complexities of product sourcing and inventory management, or an experienced entrepreneur seeking to scale your operations and expand into new markets, AMZ Product Launcher offers personalized coaching, expert advice, and actionable insights to help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential as an Amazon seller. Maximizing profitability on Amazon requires more than just listing products and waiting for sales to roll in. It demands a strategic approach, informed decision-making, and the right tools and resources to stay ahead of the curve. With AMZ Product Launcher by your side, you'll not only skyrocket your Amazon business, but also transform your dreams of e-commerce success into a profitable reality. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.